We recently completed a masculine home office, and that is what I'm going to show you today. If you're a returning subscriber, hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be a subscriber. Remember that if you would like my help in designing one of the rooms in your home, you can have that help by clicking the link in the description down below. The backstory to this design is that the customer, Jake, is building a brand new home. Now, the property which his home is located on, or being built on, sits atop a hill that overlooks the valley on two different sides of the property. Jake himself is an active guy. He enjoys riding motorcycles, archery, shooting, classic planes, and good bourbon. He wanted his home office to have that polished and modern look to match his brand new construction home as a whole, yet he still wanted to personalize the home office, matching the masculine energy attached to his interests, which I just mentioned previously. So here is what we came up with.
God, you are the devil.